discovery!
Oh my gosh!
That's so cool.
Is it windy? Cute! Our first stop. Oh, look, how cute. Do you like us? Hello. So cute. Grumpy cat. Oh wow.
I love cute things.
Here's another cat. Hello, Mousy.
Oh, he's sleeping. Influencer on the loose. Influencer on the loose. Wow. Oh my god, it's a big bite.
Oh my gosh.
The face.
Cheers.
Oh, he's so sleepy.
Welcome to the bathroom. I will be right here if you need anything.
The music is just. Like, I feel like a king, like a queen in this bathroom. Jeju rail bike to the right.
자리 앉으세요. 네. 오케이, 알았다. 네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
We're going fast now. I really should have gone to the toilet. We still have a bit to go.
It's the end.
The end. It was like, go faster, go faster.
Can't go faster, man. We're right here.
감사합니다.
천천히 내려요.
네.
What are you saying? Say something again. Oh.
So call me Mary. Embarrassing.
Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh. Pretty. We're stuck behind this car.
Bro, get out of the way!
Wow, we're
Now we're at the Tangerine cafe farm thingy.
I hope we can pick tangerine.
마음껏 먹어도 돼요. 근데 먹는 거 외에 따신 거 전부 구매를 하셔야 돼요. 키로당 9,000원이에요. 네. 세 분이시죠?
네, 쌤. Tangerine picking.
My head keeps flying away.
Oh, wow. 1 kilo picking is 9 euros, 9,001, and we can eat as many as we want. That we will do, obviously.
Yeah.
Picking was 10,001, but look at our cute hats. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, wow. Or maybe here. Paradise.
Oh, it's so cute and small.
Get them in the basket.
Freshly picked.
What do you mean no peeling?
No feeling can be lost.
Oh, if you could smell it.
It smells like heaven. Like tangerine heaven.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. 1, 2, 3, cheers, cheers. Mmm. They are so sweet.
Wow.
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 They're
They're really juicy.
You look so cute.
Just like Kirby style.
Can you do that again? Oh, was it? I feel like we're on a jungle expedition or something. Have to be careful. Ah. Oh. Hello. One, two, three. Woo! Then we can just share one last one for the vibes. For the vibes. The vibes.
좋은데 자기야. 나 있잖아 이거. 그러려고 온 거야. Hello. Where are you from?
Germany?
Puerto Rico.
아, Germany.
Yeah.
I feel this one is good. I feel like, yeah, you should pick that one.
Oh my god, that is nice.
Oh? Why it's empty?
But they didn't post. I before we drove here, I especially checked the Instagram to see if they maybe posted something.
Oh.
No fire.
So excited. but
We
no.
have the fire. Yeah, we have the fire in our heart.
Fire in our hearts.
Franca the grill master.
Our car that brought us safely everywhere. Are we ready to leave, Jeju?
Yes.
Yeah.